Hi, I'm Christopher Showerman. In the next 60 seconds, let's grab your straps and grab a friend to work your hamstrings and rear end with Team Ham Curls on the path of least resistance.
Teamwork!
Start by clipping both leashes to the handle of the opposite leash. Then lie face down on a clean, flat surface. You may want to put a cushion under your knees. Have your training partner put a hand in each loop of your double-wide leash. Then drape the flat webbing over the back of your heels. You can add a towel over your heels for added comfort. While your partner applies gentle pressure down and back, bend your knees, driving your heels back up towards your butt. Let your partner know if you need more or less resistance. Have your partner maintain resistance on your heels as you slowly lower your feet back to a straight leg position. Check your equipment before every workout. Take turns doing the ham curls and always leave the gym nicer than you found it. Get strong as an ox in your ham hocks with Team Ham Curls on the path of least resistance.